So you don't see any issue with bringing a 4-year-old to a bar?
I
Do you understand I'll call DCF on you and they'll come and do a whole investigation? We've gotten multiple calls about this situation saying that your daughter's lifting her dress and she's not wearing any undergarments. You're kind of like putting me in a real tough spot here.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram, and I am a storyteller.
Welcome to the bunker. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Colonel channel. I am your self-proclaimed commander, Lieutenant Colonel Lee Roger Wolfgram. And here I give you Colonel advice and legal analysis, and they're not always the same thing. In this particular case that we're going to look at today is a body cam of a mom at a bar with her small daughter, and she's plowed. And so people at the bar call up, and I'm disgusted by this. I feel a lot of concern for the child, because if that's your mom and your mom doesn't know that it's terrible to take you to the bar and be drunk and you're running around without underwear with other patrons at the bar there and you're 8 or 9 years old, if mom doesn't get that, mom needs some serious help here. So let's see what led up to this. Let's watch.
Watch this reckless mom take her 4-year-old daughter to a bar and nearly drop her right in front of the officer.
I'm the one that called. It's this woman over there on the corner. We're just worried about the child. I don't know if her mom is dead or what. We did not serve her service. But she just showed up about 30 minutes ago, and the poor kid was walking around with no underwear, no shoes, crying, wanting to go home. I had customers come up to tell me that the mom was running into them, falling over.
All right. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, so I took care of it. If you want to leave me your card, if I have any other issues.
I just got to talk to her real quick.
Okay.
If you don't mind. What's your name?
Jennifer.
What's your name? What is it? What's your name?
Madeline.
M-A...
D-E-L-I-N-E.
You're 4? 4? Is there any reason you have a 4-year-old at a bar?
No.
There is no reason.
No.
Okay. Can we go outside and talk, please?
Yes.
All right, awesome. Come on, Miss Madeline. No, bring her. Bring her.
Come on.
Bring her. So is this your daughter?
Yes.
Okay. So you don't see any issue with bringing a 4-year-old to a bar?
I
Do you understand I'll call DCF on you and they'll come and do a whole investigation? That's a...
Okay, so here's the first thing. So when you get child services involved in these cases, so what'll happen is this will get referred, they'll do an investigation, and then presumably the idea of Child Protective Services is to reunify the family after whatever's the problem with the family is fixed. In this case, they're going to say either that she is dangerous to the child, or she is unable or unwilling to protect the child, and it stems right from her alcoholism here. So this one here is one that we know right away what the problem is. Mom doesn't think there's a problem being at a bar with a 4-year-old. That's a problem. Mom is loaded with the 4-year-old. I don't know how she got there. That may be a further problem. But more importantly, this child is out at a bar, not with kids, not playing, but with mom getting loaded at a bar.
Problem.
Yes.
Okay? All right, so we've gotten multiple calls about this situation saying that your daughter's lifting her dress and she's not wearing any undergarments, and it's an issue inside. I don't know. Hold on. Sure, 6. We're outside now. We're outside the outside bar. I'm getting, like, they're saying that they think you're under the influence. You have a 4-year-old at a bar. That's no issue in your mind?
I mean, I did not think it would.
It's not like you're sitting at a dining table. You're literally sitting at a bar with a 4-year-old.
Agreed.
Okay? I have a 2-year-old, and there's no way in the heck I would ever do that. Ever.
Understood.
Are you okay? Yeah? You just want to go home? Okay. You're kind of like putting me in a real tough spot here. We just hang out with my partner here.
That's your daughter?
Yes.
Don't be scared. My name is Officer Hannah. What's your name?
I just want to make a comment here. So that female officer, she's doing a good job there. She's trying to make the child comfortable. Obviously, this is something that's causing a lot of stress. And seeing that smiling face from that officer, I wish those officers that smile at adults like that.
Everything's gonna be okay, all right?
You're okay, sweetie. Everything's okay.
We're told that this was not a
what?
spot to take your daughter.
You weren't told, so you didn't know?
Have you been drinking today, ma'am?
First home to 91928.
Hi, Mama. How old are you? 4? You're 4? Okay. It's okay. You're almost gonna go home, okay? What's your name? Madeline? Oh, that's a nice name, Madeline. I like your dress.
13P, or you want me to close it out?
It's unicorns, right? Yeah? Everything's okay, all right?
Oh, what are those? Okay, so I guess the question is, how many drinks did she have before she got to the bar? Because clearly she's an experienced drinker, because I don't hear like those normal indicia of intoxication here. I don't hear the slurred speech. I don't hear that, but other people have witnessed conduct of hers that gives them rise to believe that are there that she is loaded. Based on the way she's talking here, this is not something new. This is something that is very normal. She's a functioning alcoholic.
Is it okay for her to go home?
Just wait 1 second now. When we're done, then we'll tell you what's gonna happen.
Well, that looks a little drunk to me.
Yeah.
Is there a chair or something?
Maybe on the stairs, that she can sit down on the stairs?
Oh, fine.
We just don't want you to fall with your daughter in your hands. Yeah.
Can you talk to the child?
Madeline. Madeline, wanna come to me? Right here. Right here. How are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah? You okay? You wanna walk over there? Just walk over there. Walk over there. And then you can talk to me, okay? And you can talk to me. Stop right here. Right here. Talk to me right here. How are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah? Is mommy okay?
You sure? Have you ever been arrested before?
Yep.
For what?
Well, that's a surprise. See, this is something where there's obviously a problem here, and mom's going to lose her kids unless she gets the alcohol under control. And I don't mean to be a preacher. I'm just telling you what's going to happen. Colonel advice.
Intoxication. It's not illegal to be intoxicated.
What?
It's not illegal to be intoxicated. No.
Arrested for that.
You look outside.
You were with mommy all day today? Here? Where are your shoes?
2339.
You left them in the car? You were hanging out with mommy? Or you hanging out with mommy? What was mommy doing? She was good? What was mommy doing? She was in the store? Was she doing anything else? Everything is okay with you? No, she didn't hit you or anything like that? I got it. Well, is daddy at home?
My daddy's sick.
Okay. Does daddy live with you guys?
My daddy lives far away.
Okay. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to go back to mommy, okay? Okay.
What she was asking the child there is seeing if there was probable cause or anything that they could put in their report that would be helpful to the Child Protective Services and potentially another crime.
But it says me and Kim Day.
Oh, gotcha. All right. Madeline, wanna come over here real quick? Wanna come with me?
No.
All right, here we go. Yeah. Okay. Come here, Mom. Ma'am, don't make this more complicated than it
Please
is.
stop. Please stop.
Yeah, because all you're doing now is just traumatizing this child. And you're obviously loaded now that we see you stumbling around here with your child in your arms. And really what you should be doing with your child is making her feel comfortable, because you're going away. The child's going to have to be removed from you at some point. That's going to be traumatic enough. And if you were a good mom, you would try to make this comfortable for the child, considering it's your fault.
My partner behind you, she's going to search you, and then we'll take you out of handcuffs as long as you cooperate and everything. Okay? You can make phone calls to have Madeline get picked up. Okay? All right.
Hold on a second. Do you have anything on you that'll stick me, poke me, hurt me, anything? All right, I'm gonna put my hands underneath your bra, okay? All right.
Which one's your car? So I can make sure it's locked. Okay. So I'm gonna take you out of handcuffs, all right? And you can make your phone calls to whoever you need to make. All right? It's just to come pick up your daughter. Do you understand?
Yep.
All right. You just hang out with this officer. I gotta get statements.
It's cool, right? Look at the light. You're gonna be here with Crystal. That's her name, okay? I'm gonna go get statements and everything, okay? Right there. All right, can you tell me what occurred there?
Mom came in with a young girl who was screaming, having a tantrum, obviously, meltdown. She was tired. She was begging her mom to go home. Her mom seemed intoxicated, totally out of it.
When you say that, how did she appear? Why do you think she was
Glossy
intoxicated?
eyes, just smiling at me.
Okay.
I was trying to talk to her. She didn't really have a reaction.
Was she reacting to her daughter
No,
having a
not at
meltdown?
all. Not at all. That's why then we started to think maybe she's not her mom. Like,
Right.
this is weird.
Okay.
So then I asked her, "Are you this girl's mom?" And she said yes. Like,
Okay.
no, not even like, "How dare you ask me?" Like,
Right.
No
No,
reaction.
like over.
Exactly.
Right.
She just said yes. And then they walked away. 10 minutes later, I had customers come to tell me, "Please call the police. We just called them. Her daughter is standing in line. She has no underwear on. She's lifting her dress up, touching herself. Her mom is falling over, banging into us." We
And this is really why I want, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't have to comment much, except for how dangerous this is for a young child to be in a bar exposing their genitals, because guess what? There's perverts out there, and mom is too loaded to even know what the hell's going on, apparently. And that's why child protection needs to get in here if this little girl hasn't already been abused by somebody because of her mother's neglect. And mom, you need to get into treatment. You just square this out and save your family.
tried to call the police. Please call the police. Then they left. Then I had people at my bar tell me the mom was reaching for their beers. Just like random people at the bar trying to drink their beers.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it just was an uncomfortable situation.
Yeah,
And the
heartbreaking.
poor girl was begging to go home. And I told the mom, I said, "It's 10 o'clock almost. Like, she's tired. Why don't you go home? Can we call you an Uber?" And she had no reaction. Like, I don't know if she was drunk or on pills or
Right.
she just seemed out of it.
Okay. All right. Can you tell me what occurred?
I heard the child screaming,
Okay.
top of the lungs, just screaming. And I wanted to go home, and she was barefooted. And I actually kind of looked at her in a mean way because she was out of control.
Of course.
But no, it was,
Right.
and everyone was watching.
Okay. And you were inside, correct? In the inside bar?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were at the corner where you were sitting down when I went in?
Yes.
Okay, that's where you were at. And then so you saw the child obviously screaming and saying she wants to go home. Did you see anything else? Like, did she react?
She didn't react.
She didn't react? What did you see her do instead?
She just stood there like didn't have a clue. It was sad.
After that, did you see anything else?
She tried to take my beer because I walked away, and just to make sure the police came. And
Okay.
my brother tells me they tried to take my beer.
Okay.
And that's what she was concerned with.
Okay, so she was trying, you can tell that she was trying to drink, but, okay. But she didn't get any beer from anybody else. Let me
She
think.
asked for the bartender.
Yeah.
And they said no.
Okay. Did you see the child do anything else other than screaming and kicking? No, nothing else?
I mean, she was very distraught.
Ah, yeah.
It was sad.
It was sad to
Everyone
see.
was watching. Yes.
Okay.
Hey, Nelson. Hey, can you pick Maddie up? Yeah, from the police station.
No, from Grandview Public.
From Grandview Public.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Why? Because he knows she's at a bar loaded.
Ms. Rodriguez, who did you get?
Her brother.
Her brother? How long? Okay.
Take a seat. All right, I'm gonna shut this door.
Just have a seat in here. You need any water? Okay, I'll get you some water, okay? Your piercings, do they come out? None of the piercings come out in your ears? They don't come out? And your glasses, are they prescription? Okay. All right, give me 1 second, I'll get you some water.
Ms. Rodriguez? Ms. Rodriguez? Ma'am?
We call that
Can I put
passed
you down
out.
real quick, and then I'm gonna try to get some of those piercings out. Come on, wakey, wakey. Time to wake up. I need to get some of your piercings out. I got your shirt. Can you sit up? There you go. All right. Stand up real quick. All right. Just gonna make sure you don't have anything in your pockets. I know another officer already checked you. Do you have anything in your bra? Ma'am? No, nothing? Okay. All right, I'm gonna try to take some of your piercings out, okay? Then look up. Let me see your nose. Is that the turning? Okay. You see it now? Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing. All right, you can sit down there. You can lay back down. Until we're done with paperwork, then you'll be on your way.
Okay, well, I wanted to bring that video to you because if you have an alcohol problem and you have children, you can see that at some point the alcoholism is going to get your children removed, and you see how traumatic it is for the child. And so I encourage those families that have these issues to look at this video, see the effect that it has on the child, and in your lucid moment decide to get yourself some help so you can keep your family together. Otherwise, the county's going to come and take your child and put them in a place where they're safe, and you can fix this yourself. Until the next time, this is Wolf 6 from the Wolfgram Worldwide Headquarters, out here.